Now we'll stitch the two upper pieces to the sole. There's a hole in the arch area that has a mark next to it, and I'm pulling the 30-inch piece of stitching thread or wax braided thread through that hole, and I'm looping around again so it will hold that tail won't start slipping out. Then I go to the third hole on the heel piece, and that needle then is going to go down into the next hole, so we're heading around the heel. Now, the most important thing about this whole process is the folding. You're folding that edge in, and I'm pulling tight each time. I'm folding this edge in so that I have a nice, smooth, finished edge all around the shoe. So here's another stitch in the next hole. But I don't want something that's flattened out. I want it folded and pulled tight. One more, and then I'll stitch off camera until I get to the part where we will attach the vamp. So there's the stitch in which the edge is seen, but we're going to turn it and fold it and then pull tight.